Alright, let's go. It's windy.
Take off.
It's windy.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's windy. Woohoo. It is windy. Yep. Yes, sir. Oi. Hey. Come on, man. Yep, it is windy. We're climbing. Slowly climbing. Climbing slowly. Oh, we might need sports mode in a bit, we'll see. We are climbing very slow. Very slow. Okay. Woohoo! Mavic, still going up. Still going. It's still going strong. Come on, Mavic, you can do it. I know you can. You're good. Go, man. Oh, hey. Look at that. Woohoo! Away. Woohoo! Yep. Give a fuck about that. We're going up. Let's have a look down. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Check it out. Check it out on the map. Fuck! Woohoo! Let's just delete some shit. Hold on. Internal storage. SD card. Video. Okay. We'll just have to do that. Okay. We'll just have to do that for now, and look at it here, and come back. Okay. Let's come back a bit. Fucking raining. Shit. It's raining. Got a bit off it anyway. It is raining. So let's come back, okay? Let's come down and come back. Okay. Okay, yo. Okay, it's windy. Woohoo, it is windy. Yeah, I know. We're coming down. The wind is coming on. We're getting into a storm here. A storm. Fuck. It is windy. Okay, I got you. I hear you. Come on. Where are you? Where? Oh, there you are. I see you. I see you. Twisting it down. I don't want to get the drone wet, so we'll leave it at that, I think. Oh! Be back! Hold on.
Landing.
Okay, we're done. We're fucking